Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm here to help you fix your car's AC problems in just 5 minutes. It's summer 2025 and nothing's worse than getting into a hot car and cranking the AC only to get weak, warm air. Today, we'll fix the 4 most common AC problems: weak airflow, air that's not cold, funky smells and weird noises, and water leaking inside your car. Problem 1. Weak airflow. You turn the fan to max, hear the blower roaring, but barely any air comes out. 9 times out of 10, it's a clogged cabin air filter. Empty your glove box and look for side clips or screws. Squeeze the sides inward to release the tabs. The glove box drops down, revealing the filter access door. Remove the clips or screws to open the access door. Slide out the old filter. It's probably disgusting. Install the new filter with the airflow arrow pointing down. Replace the access door and lift the glove box back up. 5 minutes later, strong airflow restored. Problem 2. The air isn't cold. This usually means low refrigerant. Your sealed AC system develops tiny leaks over time, letting refrigerant escape. Safety first, always wear safety glasses and gloves. Buy the correct refrigerant for your car with a built-in gauge. Start the engine and turn AC to maximum cold. Under the hood, locate the AC lines, thick and thin aluminum pipes. The low-pressure port is on the thick line with an L cap. Unscrew this cap. The recharge hose only fits here. Connect the recharge hose, push until it clicks. Check the gauge to see current pressure level. Shake the can, hold it upright, and squeeze the trigger. 10 to 15 seconds at a time, then check the pressure. Keep going until the needle reaches the green zone. Don't overfill. Disconnect the hose, replace the cap, and enjoy ice-cold air. Problem 3. Funky smells. That musty sock-like odor, it's mold and mildew on your evaporator cord deep in the dashboard. Buy an AC evaporator cleaner with a long tube attachment. Spray the foam through the filter opening or drain tube access. Weird noises? Check for debris in the blower motor first. Fish it out with pliers or vacuum it out. Loud grinding from the engine bay means compressor problems. The compressor clutch or bearings may need replacement. That's a bigger job. Problem 4. Water inside your car. Don't panic, it's just condensation. Your AC creates condensation that should drain outside, leaving a puddle under your car. The problem is a clogged drain tube letting water back up inside. Safely lift the front of your car and secure it with jack stands. Under the passenger side, find the small rubber drain tube. Give it a squeeze to break up light clogs. For stubborn clogs, use a wire or pipe cleaner to clear the blockage. Be ready for a gush of water when the clog breaks free. Problem solved. Your floors will stay dry from now on. And that's how you fix the 4 most common car AC problems. You just saved hundreds of dollars in mechanic fees. If this helped you out, smash that like button. Subscribe for more money-saving car repair videos, share this with anyone sweating in their car this summer, and ring that notification bell so you never miss our latest tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.